What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Gmail with the Claude. This is the desktop application of the Claude, so you guys need to install it. The link is in the description below. So once you have installed it, make sure you log in with your official account that have a subscription. Over here on the left hand side you will see setting option. In the setting you will see the connectors, but we are going to go through a shortcut. Here is a plus icon. Go to the connectors over here and then go to the add connectors. Click on add connectors and you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see that if you want to add a new connector, you guys can always search it up. I have already included Gmail in my connectors. It's pretty easy. You just have to log in with the Google account and then you will be able to link it with the Google Gmail. Now, once it's been linked up, what we have to do is to find out the connector again. Just go to the connector and go to the manage connector option. Now, once we are at the manage connector option, you will see that the Gmail is listed over here. Now we have to give the permissions to the Gmail, like the tool permissions, read only tools, and write and delete tools. You give the permission as per your requirement, and once you are done, just save it. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.